Good evening, Nana. Today again we'll discuss about introduction to algebra one more time. What is algebra? It is a part of mathematics which deals with symbols which are representing for unknown quantities or unknown numbers. Symbols we are using in the place of unknown numbers and unknown quantities. In which mathematics symbols are using in the presence of, in the case of unknown numbers and unknown quantities, symbols. That symbols may be letters. Okay, English letters we are using in the place of unknown numbers. That type of mathematics is called algebra. And here unknown numbers are unspecified numbers. Unknown numbers or unspecified numbers are represented by symbols. Those we are calling that unknown numbers which are representing with symbols are called variables. Okay, unspecified and unknown numbers with the help of specialized symbols we are representing. That specialized numbers are called variables, not constants. Fixed numbers are called constants and unknown numbers with symbols are known as variables. So variable definition is important. Algebra definition is also important. The part of mathematics in which letters and other symbols are used to represent numbers and quantities. The mathematics in which letters and other general symbols are used to represent numbers and quantities in a formula and or else in a equation. Expression or formula or equation, that may be anything. Unknown numbers are specified by symbols. The type of mathematics is called algebra. And variable definition is, in algebra letters are used to represent unknown and unspecified numbers. That letters are called variables. X, Y, anything, M, N, whatever it may be, we are using the letter for a symbol in the presence of unknown and unspecified. In the case of unknown and unspecified number, we are using that specialized symbols. That may be English letters. So those are called here variables. Constant means fixed number. 2, 12, anything that is a fixed number. Constant means fixed number. Variable number means we are representing with symbols. In the case of algebra, the specialized representation with symbols, the type of mathematics is called algebra, that deals with the specialized symbols we are using as variables. The type of mathematics in the case of formula and equations, in the mathematics for formula and equations we are using symbols in the presence of unknown and unspecified numbers is called algebra. For representing unknown and unspecified numbers, symbols we are using English letters. The type of mathematics is algebra, and in algebra that specialized symbols or letters are known as variables. Okay, in between the two variables, addition operation we can use, subtraction we can use, multiplication, division we can use. For addition operation, plus symbol we will use in between the variables. For example, x and y are two variables we are using. For adding the two variables, x plus y we can write as expression. X plus y is called as algebraic expression here. For example, here I am taking a comma b are variables. Let a comma b are variables. Two variables are two different variables. So a plus b is the algebraic expression. Is the algebraic expression. We can call a plus b as algebraic expression. Here a and b are two different variables. For subtraction, minus symbol. Here for taking subtraction, a minus b is the algebraic expression, and this is the difference between the two variables. And for multiplication, into mark we can use, dot we can use, and without any, for product without any notation also, directly two variables if we write a and b, m, n, x, y, if we write like that x, y, without any notation and without any symbol, if we write like this, that is the product of the two numbers. or m into n also we can write, m dot n also we can write in the case of product. And for division we can use divided by symbol, x divided by y or else x by y. Okay, x divided by y. In that manner also we can write, x by y also we can write for division. Here x is the, which one is dividend and which one is divisor? Dividend and divisor. X is dividend and y is the divisor. So next one is substitution, is for second exercise we have to discuss afterwards. Up to here first exercise information is enough for this. For first exercise this information is enough. So here exercise 7a we will discuss now. So for this first write the length of the knife. Here two parts they have given, up to here 5 centimeters and the remaining 8 centimeters. Variable. This is constant. Constant and this is variable because they have given a symbol letter as letter a centimeters they have given. That's why it is unknown and unspecified. Is it correct, Kaushik? Unknown and unspecified. Unknown and unspecified. That's why a they have given. Unspecified. This is constant 5 centimeters. Up to here constant they have given. This is unknown variable they have given. So the total length is 5 plus a centimeters. Unspecified. This is variable. This is constant. 5 plus a centimeters. It is an algebraic expression. Combination of constants and variables is also possibility. Is also there. One possibility, combination of constant and variable terms. 5 plus a centimeters is an algebraic expression and this is the length of this knife. So in that manner only a screw, this entire screw, handle portion and screw portion, x centimeters and y centimeters. The total length of the screw is, two are variables only. X is a variable, not constant. Y is also a variable in centimeters. X plus y centimeters is the length of the screw, entire screw. And the second bit is write the length of the handle, only handle length, total length minus this part, barrel part. Total length minus barrel length. That's why total length p centimeters minus handle length we have to find out. Barrel length తీసేయాలి. Q centimeters they have given up to here. So that is q centimeters. P minus q centimeters is the length of the handle. So in that manner, write the length of the barrel here. Only barrel length we have to find. So in that manner, we have to find total length minus the ends, and up to here we have to handle portion and up to here we have to subtract. M minus n centimeters is this length. And the next third bit is about multiplication. Already I told about this. Length of the square. Here not length, perimeter of the square, Nana. One side a centimeters. Square means all sides are same. Rectangle means two sides are same and another two sides are same. Square means all the sides are same. That's why perimeter of the square is equals to a plus a plus a plus a. 4 times 4a. Product we can take. Is it correct, Kaushik? Square. Perimeter of the square means one side a centimeter means all the sides a only will be there. A plus a plus a plus a. 4 times we have to take. So 4a centimeters we can write. That is about third bit. For example, third bit lo another type of problem I will take. I didn't wrote from the textbook third bit. Generally I am telling. For example, 4 chocolates. 4 chocolates we bought. Total cost is 20 rupees. Okay, 4 are equal. Total cost to 20 rupees. So each chocolate cost 5 rupees. 5 rupees. So how can we find, Nana? 4 into 5 is equals to 20 rupees. Yes, because all are equal in cost. 4 chocolates we bought, each one is 5 rupees. Total cost is 5 into 4, 20 rupees we'll get. In that manner. This is the answer, Nana. Here 5 rupees each one, 5 rupees, 4 chocolates we bought. So total is 4 into 5. Multiplication we have to do, product, because each one is equal cost. And the fourth bit is write the cost of each toffee. Here for 4 chocolates combinedly X paisa. Variable they have given, X paisa. Variable they have given. And 1 toffee cost is equals to X by 4. Why? Because all are equal in cost. So we have ఒక్కొక్క దానికి కాస్ట్ కావాలంటే మనం as it is, Nana. Here 4 is 20 rupees. How many we buy? How much the cost of each one? 4 into X we have to take. Each one cost is X. So X is equals to 20 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. Each chocolate cost is equals to 5 rupees. So in that manner here, we have to divide it by cost kavalante number of chocolates. Total cost minus number of chocolates we have to do. Then each one cost is X by 4. This is about division. Fourth bit is about division. 3 equal parts B meters aithe, 1 equal part how many meters? B by 3 meters. Yes? So like that chocolates only. Third and fourth bit is about product and division. Text one is fifth bit. Here fifth one, write each of verbal expression as an algebraic expression. 3 more than L. Means what, Nana? We have to add 3 to L. 3 more than L. 3 kante, L kante 3 ekkuva. Ante why we have to do? What we have to do? Addition we have to do, because more than, not subtraction. More than L. That means L plus 3 we can write an algebraic expression for this. 3 more than L. Is it correct? Kaushik, are you listening? Say. Very good. And next one is C less D. C less D. That means D ni 3 C taggistunam. That's why we have to subtract. Less means negative, minus. D minus C is the answer for this. And Y increased by 6. Y increased by 6. So we have to increase Y means Y plus will get. And by 6 means 6 we have to add. Y plus 6. M decreased. Decreased means minus will come by 8. 8 we have to decrease from M. M nunchi 8 tagginchali. That means M minus 8. You have to write, Nana. Don't get confused. More problems you can solve from textbook and example problems. 5 times of X. 5 times means 5 table. 5 into X. 5 times of X means 5 into X. 1 half of X. Half of X. Half means 1 by 2. In fractions we have studied about half. 1 by 2 into X. We can write 1 into X, X by 2. X lo half means X by 2 also we can write. X ni 2 parts kinda chestunam, 2 fractions. For example, total X is this. We are dividing X into 2 equal parts. So as a fraction we can write X by 2. Total is X and we are dividing half. So as a fraction we can write each part gurinchi rayalannappudu X by 2 we can write. So sum of A and B. Very easy, Nana. Sum of A and B means A plus B. We can write easily. Don't get confused. And here next one is product of 3 and Q. Product. 3Q also we can write. 3 into Q also we can write. 3 dot Q also we can write. In brackets also we can write like this. Anyway we can write. Elagaina rayachu product. 3Q rayachu. 3 into Q or else 3 dot Q or else 3 of Q. All are equal meaning. All are giving. All algebraic expressions are giving equal meaning. Product of 3 and Q here. We can write in this manner 3q, 3 into q, 3 of q, 3 dot q. Anyone is correct only. All are correct. And the quotient of y and 10. Quotient means here dividend, divisor, quotient. Dividend, divisor, quotient. So quotient means result of the division. So y by 10 is the answer for that. Quotient of y and 10 is y by 10. And 2 less than m. We have to less the value of m. We have to decrease. That means m minus 2. Is it correct, Kaushik? We have to less than m. 2 less than m. 2 less than 10. What, Nana? Backward counting we have to do from m. From 10. 10 minus 2. 9, 8 we have to do. Like that, backward counting from m is m minus 2. 2 less than m means m minus 2 only. So, we have to write from verbal form to algebraic expression in this manner. Don't get confused. This is most important for your higher classes. This type of writing from verbal to equation and equation to verbal is most important. And express the verbal expression as algebraic expressions. 5 more than 3 times p. 3 times p. First we have to do what, Nana? Multiplication because of Badmer's rule. First we have to write multiplication, then addition. Here first we have to do 3 times of p. Don't get confused. 5 more than 3 అని రాసావా? అలా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతున్నట్టున్నావు కదా. 5 more than 3 first చేయొద్దు నాన్న. Why? Because of Badmer's rule we have to follow. First multiplication, then addition. So 3 times p first we have to do, then 5 more than that plus 5. So in that manner you have to do 1 less than 6 times n. 6 times n first we have to do because multiplication first, then addition and subtraction. Multiplication tarvata manaku addition and subtraction vastayi. So first we have to do multiplication 6 times of n minus 1. First preference is for multiplication, first division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So less than means minus. So minus will come later. First here multiplication is there. So first we have to write multiplication, then subtraction. 6n minus 1. So first I highlighted here. See, 6 times of n minus 1. And next one is 5 times the quantity. 5 times the quantity n minus 3. So here separately they have given, no Badmer's rule. 5 times the quantity. First preference inside the bracket we have to give. Inside the bracket. Okay. So n minus 3 ki 5 times the quantity of entire specified. Da they have given. So ఇది స్పెసిఫిక్ క్వాంటిటీ. దా వచ్చింది అంటే దాని బ్రాకెట్ లో పెట్టాలి. ఓకే. దా మీన్స్ స్పెసిఫైడ్ క్వాంటిటీ. ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆల్సో వి స్టడీడ్. Give importance to English here. Da means this is specified one. This is specific quantity. N minus 3 is specific quantity. Dani 5 times cheyali. Don't get confused here. Okay, na Kaushik, see this carefully. I'll show you from nearby. See, 5 times the quantity. The quantity means this is specified quantity, Nana. N minus 3. Specified quantity. Da ochindi kada. That's why n minus 3 is specified quantity. We have to do 5 times of that. 5 into n minus 3. Is it okay? Easy for you? Okay. Next one is 5 times the sum of. Again d came. So d ochindi ante this is specified quantity. Before that preceded by. This is preceded by the. So that's why this is the specified quantity. 5 and 7, sum of 5 and 7 we have to do first. 5 plus 7, then 5 here we have to do. 5 times of that we have to take. Da means which is preceded by specified quantity. So next one is 25 decreased by 4 times E. 4 times E. Here 4 times E. 4 times E is the specific quantity. 4 is E and 25 is decreased by. 25 is decreased by means this is entirely a specified one. Okay, 4 times of E we have to decrease from 25. 25 is bigger one because it is decreased by. Decreased by. That means the entire quantity is less than this. We are decreasing that from 25. So 25 minus 4E. Read more and more times these all, Nana. One more time you have to read all this. I'll send these notes once again. Read more and more times, then you will get clear idea how to write verbal form to algebraic expression is, you can get clear idea on that, how to write. Next one is sixth one. Take away the product of 15 and t from 60. From 60 means 60 is the bigger value here. So first preference 60 we have to write. Take away means minus. Take away means minus. Product of 15 and t we have to subtract. 60 minus 15 into t. Take away the product. 15 into t we have to take away from 60. So 60 అనేది bigger value. 60 లోంచి 15 into t తీసేయాలి. Product of 15 and t we have to subtract from 60. If you read like this, separate చేసుకొని read చేస్తే you can get clear idea, Nana. Product of 15 and t ని from 60 అంటున్నాడు కాబట్టి 60 is bigger one. Take away means minus. Product of 15 and t is 15 into t. Okay na Kaushik? Read one more time and listen this video one more time. You will get clear idea on this. And next one is 6 decreased by. 6 decreased means 6 is the bigger one. Decreased means minus. By means 1/2 of C. Half of C or else C by 2. This is the correct answer, Nana. See. దాన్ని ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు, బట్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్. 6 మైనస్ సి బై 2. 1/2 ఆఫ్ సి అంటే సి బై 2. 6 డిక్రీజ్డ్ బై అన్నాడు కాబట్టి 6 మైనస్ సి బై 2. రీడ్ వెల్, దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ క్లియర్ ఐడియా. ఇంగ్లీష్ బాగా రీడ్ చేసే వాళ్ళకి ఇది రాయడం పెద్ద కష్టమేం కాదు. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ 15 more than, that means 15 plus the quotient of d and 5. D by 5 is the quotient here. Quotient, yes. D by 5 plus 15 more than annadu kabatti we have to add 15. Next one is express the answer of each of the following as an algebraic expression. Express the answer of each one. Here see, Raja is 10 years older to Ravi. If Ravi is 6 years means what is Raja, Nana? X plus 10. Easily we can write. Yes? X plus 10. Raja 10 more than Ravi. Ravi ఏమో X years ఉన్నాడు. Raja ఎంత ఉంటాడు? X plus 10 ఉంటాడు. More than 10 కదా. More than that 10 ఉంటాడు కాబట్టి వాడు X ఉంటా, వీడు X plus 10 ఉంటాడు. So easily we can write. Next one is ball and kite cost 65 rupees. Ball kite కలిపి 65 rupees, నానా. బాల్ కాస్ట్ బి అవుతే కైట్ కాస్ట్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 65 మైనస్ బి. అవునా? కైట్ కాస్ట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 65 మైనస్ బి. బికాస్ బాల్ కాస్ట్ బి రూపీస్, టోటల్ కాస్ట్ 65 రూపీస్. వాట్ అబౌట్ కైట్? టోటల్ మైనస్ బాల్ చేయాలి. So in that manner we will get. Are you getting this? Okay. And next one is each boy eats 5 toffees. ఒక్కొక్కరు 5 chocolates తింటారు. How many toffees do n boys? n number of boys కలిపి, for example, ఒక్కొక్కరు 5 chocolates తింటారు. 10 boys ఎన్ని తింటారు? 10 into 5. Like that n boys n into 5. Okay na? 5 into n. The product we have to take. Each boy eats 5 toffees. n number of boys is total what? ఒక్కొక్కరే 5 కదా, n into 5 we have to do, product we have to do nana. Okay, each one 5 chocolates తింటే 10 members ఎన్ని తింటారు? 10 into 5 50 తింటారు కదా. So like that n members ఎన్ని తింటారు? n అంటే వేరియబుల్ నెంబర్ we have to take. So n into 5, 10 into 5, that may be 10 కావచ్చు, 50 కావచ్చు, 100 బాయ్స్ కూడా ఉండొచ్చు కదా. 100 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎన్ని తింటారు? 100 into 5. In the place of n variable numbers we have to take, not a single number. That's why variable అంటున్నాం. ఫిక్స్డ్, అన్స్పెసిఫైడ్. ఇక్కడ n అనేది అన్స్పెసిఫైడ్, చెప్పలేదు. ఒక ఫంక్షన్ కి 100 మెంబర్స్ వస్తారా, 10 మెంబర్స్ వస్తారా, 1000 మెంబర్స్ వస్తారా మనం చెప్పలేం. వీ హ్యావ్ టు జస్ట్ ఇన్వైట్. ఎస్, ఎట్ దట్ టైమ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఆల్జిబ్రాయిక్ మెథడాలజీ. ఓకేనా? ఆల్జిబ్రాయిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు కన్సిడర్. ఫంక్షన్ కి మనం విజిట్ చేస్తాం కానీ ఎంతమంది వస్తారో మనకు తెలియదు కదా. బర్త్డే పార్టీకి పిలిచాం ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఓకేనా? హౌ మెనీ మెంబర్స్ విల్ కమ్ we cannot guess. So at that time variables we have to take as symbols. So 5 chocolates ఒక్కొక్కరికి పెడదాం అనుకుంటున్నాం మనం వచ్చిన ఫ్రెండ్స్ కి. So we have to calculate how. For example 10 members, 10 into 5, 50 chocolates we have to bought. For example 100 members, 100 into 5, 500 chocolates we have to bought. In that manner product we have to do 5 into n. n ఏమో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బాయ్స్, 5 ఏమో చాక్లెట్స్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ హౌ మెనీ వీక్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ డి డే. సో ఫర్ ఏ వీక్ హౌ మెనీ డేస్ నానా? 7. సో ఫర్ డి డేస్ హౌ మెనీ వీక్స్? ఫర్ 100 days how many weeks nana? 100 by 7 we have to do. So like that manner here d by 7 we have to do. Don't get confused. Number of days divided by 7. For getting weeks, number of weeks రావాలంటే number of days minus 7 చేయాలి. 100 days లో ఎన్ని వీక్స్ వస్తాయి? 100 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 3 is the remainder, 30, 7 fours are 28. How many weeks? 14 weeks nana. Okay? In that manner. And Sandy score 8 marks in long answer type question. Okay, next for short answer questions 2 marks are given for each correct answer. Sandy's total score if she answers, she is a girl nana, x short answers tana answer chesindi, each correct answer 2 marks she will score. So in short answer how many she will get? X into 2. Yes, 2x marks she will get in short answers. Long answers 8 marks she scored. Total is 8 plus 2x. So like this we can write long answer marks 8, short answer marks 2 marks into x questions, 2x marks, total marks 8 plus 2x. తను x ఆన్సర్స్ ఆన్సర్ చేసింది కరెక్ట్ గా, ఒక్కొక్క దానికి 2 మార్క్స్, టోటల్ 2 into x for short answers and long answer 8, total is 8 plus 2x. Don't get confused. Next one is multiple choice questions. 1 centimeter equals to 0.3937 inches. And what about x centimeters? X into 0.39. Option C is correct. And which verbal expression does not represent a minus 8? 8 less than a means a minus 8. A decreased by 8 means a minus 8. Take away 8 from a means a minus 8. And a subtracted from 8 means 8 minus a. From 8 means 8 minus a. So this is wrong option. So option D is correct here. Why? Because this is not representing a minus 8. This is representing 8 minus a. So option D is correct here. And higher order thinking, one question they have given nana. A minus, here see, a man has 350 watches. A man has 350 watches. He has 350 watches. He sells W watches every day. For each day he sells W number of watches. Variable number W nana here. Variable. This is variable. and this is fixed. Total 350 watches. Total 350 watches, and each day will sell W number of watches, and write an algebraic expression to show the number of watches he would be left with after T weeks. So 1 week is equals to 7 days. T weeks is equals to 7 into T days. Yes, and each day sell number of watches he sells. Number of watches he sells is equals to W. Yes, W. So 70 days number of watches is equals to cells is equals to 70 into W. Yes, ఒక్క రోజుకి W వాచెస్ కదా 1 into W, and 70 days కి 7 into T days కి కలిపి 70 into W watches he will sell. So left number of watches left with him, number of watches left is equals to left after T weeks is equals to total minus sold. Total minus sold watches. So total sale watches how many? Sold anaddu, sale anali, because yesterday also we have discussed. Total 350 minus sold watches. How many sale watches? 70 into W. So in that manner we have to do, Nana. Is it okay? Okay, na? Okay. For second exercise, we have to understand first substitution method. Substitution means to put in the values in the place of variable. Options we have. For example, A plus B is the algebraic expression. A value and B value they will give. We have to put in the place of A and B that values. Substitution means put in the values of other. Put the values in the place of variables is called constant values. We have to put in the place of variable is called substitution. That is the introduction of second exercise. So first problem, evaluate the given expression for each value of the table. This already I told you. If values they will give in the table, and we have to find out, we have to put the values in the place of n. Once we have to do with 2, once we have to do with 1, and then 0, and then 3. We have to put the values in the place of n. First we have to put 2 in the place of n, then 1 in the place of n, then 0 in the place of n, then 3 in the place of n. We will get different values. If we put 2 in the place of n, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5 will comes. If we put 1 in the place of 3, 1 plus 3 is equals to 4, and if we put 0 in the place of n, 0 plus 3 is equals to 3 will comes, and if we put 3 in the place of n, 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. So in that manner we can do. So this is about n plus 3. And next to 2n, 3n plus 2, n square. See n square. This already I told, we have video also. That's why I am taking with n square. If n is equals to 2, we can put 2 in the place of n. 2 square. 2 into 2. 4 will comes. If n is equals to 1, 1 square. 1 into 1 is equals to 1. If n is equals to 0, 0 square. 0 into 0 is equals to 0. So in that manner we will get all the values. If n is equal to 3, 3 into 3, 9 will come. We can fill the table with the help of these all. And next one is 10n minus 3. 10 n minus 3. If we put 2 in the place of n, putting is very easy. Don't get confused. Okay. You have to write one ST, then you will get clear idea on this all. I will give different problems. What happened, Anna? Okay. If n is equals to 3, 10 n minus 3. 10 into 3 minus 3. 10 3 is a 30 minus 3, 27 will come. So in that manner we can do